Okay, so this is an official unveiling. I posted a picture of it, but of the new Project Whip. Oh, hold on. Let me get back a little bit. Flicks Miata.
The drift missile.
So, transmission's out of it. We were doing clutch, and Noah forgot the camera.
No, I didn't.
No, I forgot the camera. But where's the new one? So, you got a stage 2. You got a short throw, and we were gracious enough to have my cousin-in-law let us use his shop. It's pretty nice in here. Usually he's got a dirt bike over there, but he's going riding today.
Here, let me hold the camera. And then you can just talk right to it.
Alright, whatever works. But, anywho, I forgot that shit yesterday, so you don't get to see any of the fun disassembly stuff, right? Was that so much fun, guys?
Yeah, the disassembly was
Best.
delightful for my gentle hands. How about you?
It wasn't bad.
How are those hot fries, buddy?
Decent.
Delicioso.
Decent.
We have a Miata here. We've been getting lots of love from Drew.
I forgot my tripod today, so like we'll probably just have to set it like on this cabinet or something to get a little bit of
I brought my charger. Yeah, we can do the time lapse on my iPhone. So we might have an iPhone time lapse in this video. If a video does come about, boys.
The video's coming about.
The old clutch, the other side of the plate, or this plate's got burn marks on it. And
it needed to be done. This time. It could have been the original one, you don't know.
yeah. We got burn marks on there.
Probably not, but
We also have a sweet T paint job. That was when I tried to throw something away with the top down. I was not littering. I was aiming for a dumpster. But
alright, I'm setting this thing up slick.
alright, let's do it. We out in this bitch, boys.
We'll pick it.
really out here.
I don't even know what I was about to say. The transmission only weighed like 50 pounds.
Yeah, the transmission was light. Noah was bench pressing it. He got a swole on with it yesterday.
You were bench pressing it.
Huh?
What? Why do you get blamed for something?
I don't know, dude. I just got a camera in my hand.
You got the whole world watching you slick.
No, I don't think it's recording it. I think your SD card's full.
No, shouldn't be. Bring it over here. Let me take a gander.
It's
No,
recording.
you got it. Yeah, you got it.
We gotta keep it
What's that
low.
weight number over there say?
25.
Alright, so we got 25 minutes.
Yeah. So I guess I'll just show you around Justin's spot. He's usually got a dirt bike right here, but he's got a really cool little setup. Something like we're trying to get for ourselves. But we got the Coronas to inspire, and here we are. Check out these big fans. We can also check out this old Honda. It's pretty sweet. There's usually a 450 right here, but Justin's going riding. Dude, I feel like the auto stability on this camera is really nice. I can like almost tell.
Yeah, it does.
But I guess we'll be tuning in. We'll be tuning in a moment. I'm gonna set up my iPhone for the time lapse. Drew, any last words before we shut the camera off for a moment? I'll walk him under. You want to walk him under? All right, walk him under and show him what we're actually working with quality-wise on this rear end, or on the like all those leaks.
On these leaks and what?
Look at all this nasty.
You got your flashlight on your son.
I mean, I guess we got to add a little bulk. You know what I mean? So, but this Miata is going to be drifted and it's going to be cleaned. but we got to get in here and clean some of this nastiness.
Yeah. She's a little dirty.
And the YouTube video we watched, the dude only had a trail of oil right here.
Yes, look, you
but
can
I've
see
got a
the
leak.
oil leaking out from in between that. I'm pretty sure that's like a cam sensor or something.
We're gonna get down there and get it.
Actually,
Dirty. This will all be clean.
Damn. See, it sucks because it looks like it'd be so easy to get from down here, but really hard to get to from up top. But
Yeah.
you know, it's all right.
Yep. We got these problems so we can solve them.
Fucking case of brake clean. So
Yeah. Noah, show him your case. We got a whole case.
We'll definitely be able to get it clean.
Yeah. So cleaning is no issue. Bing. Well, boys,
all right.
the Miata, you can get a good shot at the coilovers here. We put some coilovers on it. Yeah, there's the coilovers. And that's all she's got, other than the new stuff here. So,
All right, so put the camera down. We need to get some shit done. How we coming along? I'm zooming in because I'm not getting close to that fucking brake clean with my camera. But nice cleaning. That slick agitating. It definitely needed it. I don't even know how many miles is on the odometer. Slick.
260.
260. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go look. I brake cleaned the heck out of the back of the motor. It looks 100 times better. So I'm just gonna put a new remain seal in it real quick before we put the new flywheel on and get the new clutch in and get the new transmission in once it's all cleaned up. And then once the transmission's in, we'll probably do the short throw after everything's already in and up there. So we'll be back. And then
oh, it's recording.
yeah, and then just hold it like this.
Give me that joker.
Or like that.
Alright, this is John's motorcycle.
We ain't got no light.
It is?
Yeah, that's John's motorcycle.
He said he can't get it to run.
This is it. This is stage 2 clutch
From Amy?
from Amazon special. That's the one key part of this build is budget everything. How much you pay for this clutch? So
Like 200 bucks.
$200. You couldn't beat that with a dead horse.
Yes. Could not beat it with a dead.
You couldn't beat that with a dead horse.
He used to have the black truck.
And there she is. We're cutting this camera off because we are back to... Alright, Noah. The notorious pop for the...
Oh,
So, this thing had bits of plastic and metal in it from all the old shit. Old and new. Short throw, long throw. This one probably sits a little high. I don't know how that makes the...
Get a shot of the clutch in the car, boy.
where's my flashlight?
Thing looks like a tool.
It is.
Cleaned it up a little bit. Pretty bright.
You gotta make sure everything's nice and clean.
That's what I'm saying.
Or
In the garage and in the car.
Or
Before you put the...
silicone. Oh yeah, we got a little piece of plastic already right there. There we go. Hopefully this stuff's still good.
Let me see what it looks like from your end.
There's not a lot of room. It's not like wide angle. What if I fucking...
You gotta like hold the camera still, and then when I hit a move, you shake it. You know what I'm saying?
Alrighty, boys. We had a little bit of a pause, a little bit of a beer break. I already killed mine, but we just the little. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. There's a little. There you go. That little bushing down in there. This was a $40 short throw kit, Amazon budget build, right, Slick? Okay. And it was a little too big, so we had to, where is it at? We had to put a little bit of duct tape on the end of the drill, and we stuck that bushing on it, and then we put this on there, and you can still see some of the residue, and we had to sit there and sand enough material off of that, the outside diameter of that bushing, so that it would press into the piece down there. But we got it in, and we've test fitted everything already. It works good. The only thing is we took this cover off because there was pieces of the plastic piece that goes on the bottom, and then there's a plastic piece that's supposed to be in that slot, and they were completely shattered, and they were all sitting down in the bottom, and there was a whole lot of metal in there. I mean, you can just see by the color of that, that's what all the liquid looked like on the inside also. So we just re-silicone, or not silicone, but like the ultra black RTV, and we're just letting it tack up a little bit before we fill it up. It only takes a little bit. You just have to put enough in there to get to the top of that block. If not, maybe, you know, just cover it. But we're about to put it all back together.
It was exciting. This is my first time ever working with anything like this. And I was like, this side, Andrew, I feel him for leaving a little extra. It's like a little extra support if anything was to get through. And on my side, I just instantly like cleaned it with my finger. Probably the wrong decision.
No, because you spread it, it'll give it a little bit more surface area.
Yeah.
But it's alright.
I just had to be like, you need that one, man. I'm crazy.
Noah over here hogging all the heat. This is the only heat we got in this big ass area. This is the heat.
Look at this thing.
What is it?
600 oars. Shoo.
What is it? Oh, is it? It's a
boy.
Kenworth. Freaking bust ass. We gonna pick this back up here in a minute or two. Move that cone, and then I'm gonna back it up and we'll have like a little photo session.
Whoops. I'm gonna have a little cleaning session in here. This shit's a mess. Dude, the mirrors suck.
Like, I know, I mean, you helped a good amount as well, but,
Yeah, tried.
you know, feels awesome.
Someone had to do it.
The test drive came out, I think, very well. So now we just need to lift the front up,
Yeah.
because it's too low. You might scrape things, and you don't want to scrape things because you could possibly hit stuff underneath your car. You might have already hit some stuff. You know, next time you look under there could be some stuff you hit that you never saw before. So, you know, you just need to be careful. I'm probably gonna put my other lens on, and we might take some buttes out here in the country. Right, cut it. Jeez. Joking. Looks halfway decent. We on the way out. We got that shit finished up. Hold up. Shut this ass down. Thanks, Justin, for the the lift and the facilities. And also, hold on 1 second. For this lens, vintage ass lens, I'm taking it because it's got really good specifications that, damn it. Yo, I'm struggling. There we go. Jeez. You ain't gonna get in that. Nice. But Slick's happy. We took his car for a little test drive. The shit drives fucking mint. I know he's gonna like it. It's gonna be his first time driving it.
This thing releases as soon as my foot moves.
That's good.
That's crazy.
That's awesome.
It's so tight, bro.
But we probably gonna be hitting the car meet later, so this thing will get some more miles on it. Just remember, take it easy on it the first couple days.
Yeah, I will.
But
it releases. Woo, it's already coming out.
That's good, boy. Just wait till you feel them gear shifts, boy.
Yeah, that's about to be nice.
Oh yeah. All right, so like get a nice little rollout for us.